Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of the brand new 2019 Chevy Bolt EV LT model. For the month of September, all Apple Chevy customers will receive the option between $6,500 in customer cash and bonus cash, or 0% financing for 72 months with $2,000 added on to that. Now, as you can see, this Bolt comes with your black Chevy decals, solar absorbing glass, and 17-inch painted aluminum wheels. Now, when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have a gray and black seat design with a tan lining throughout the entire vehicle. When it comes to the front, we do have a touchscreen radio designed specifically for the Bolt, and we do have heated seats on both sides. We have a heated steering wheel over here, and even your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.